What's up, gang? Welcome back to Pretty Girl Gang TV, where we do nothing but conduct pretty girl business. I'm your girl Janina. If you are new, welcome to my channel. Now, I rushed home because I got a notice saying that I got my package, and here it is. Super excited, so I had to rush home, girl, and get on camera to try out this new product. Now, if you guys haven't heard about this new product from Limecrime, you are in the same boat as me. I didn't see any type of advertising, any type of promo for this item, and I'm shocked because I feel like this is such a different new release, because normally all the brands release like, you know, a new eyeshadow palette or a new lipstick, and so I've been kind of leaning towards the releases that are different, and this is a different release. So if you guys don't know, Limecrime released a lip primer called the Ghost Veil Lip Primer. And you're probably wondering like why I would dedicate an entire video to this lip primer, because it's just a lip primer, right? No, girl. This lip primer is supposed to be a revolutionary lip primer that makes any lippy or lip liner transfer proof. Yes, transfer proof, girl. Transfer proof. So if you are like me, girl, I only purchase liquid matte lipsticks because they do not transfer, they do not budge. You can eat, you can drink, and go on about your day. I don't own any traditional lipsticks because they transfer. So we are gonna try this product together. Now this is gonna be a first impression / review, and hopefully this product comes through, girl. Hopefully Limecrime comes through, because if they do, I am running out and buying me some traditional lipsticks, because I have seen some really pretty ones out there in the market, but I just can't do the transfer. So anyway, let's go ahead and try this out. Run the footage, girl. So a little deets on this product. I did purchase this from limecrime.com and it was $16. I got my laptop right here and I'm gonna pull up all the details and the instructions for you before we open it. Let's see. So it says the Ghost Veil Lip Primer. What it does: creates a super sheer smoothing base that extends the life of your favorite lippy. What it won't do: dry out your lips or alter your lipstick finish or texture. Okay, that's interesting. How to use: apply a thin layer on bare lips and let it dry. Put your to-go lip liner or glide on cream, matte, or sheer shades for committed color. Okay, sounds easy enough for me. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy. Oh, do you hear the angels singing? Do you hear it? If you guys know Limecrime, their packaging is so nice. I love this little printing that it comes with. So opening her up, ooh, I got a free gift. Here's a free little mini, and I think I have this color because I have almost all of their lippies. What color is this? Oh, it's in the color cashmere. How nice. I'm gonna save that. Now here's the actual product in the packaging. It comes in a little box. It says Ghost Veil right there. It's very like chromy or chromatic. And let's go ahead and open her up. So here she is unwrapped. It says Ghost Veil on there. I don't know if you guys can see it because it's kind of like holographic. And she's like a light pinky nude color. So let me take my lip gloss off and we will put this on. Okay, gloss is removed and we're ready to go. Now, like I said, I do not buy traditional lipsticks because they transfer, so I actually went out and bought some. I bought a number of different ones because I just wanted to try a variety out. So I bought a regular traditional bullet lipstick, and it's a creamy texture, and this is from CoverGirl, and it is in the color Succulent Cherry 295. I purchased a Powder Puff Lippie from NYX, and it is in the color Puppy Love. I also bought another traditional lipstick from NYX, and this is a matte liquid lipstick. Let me see. Yes, it is a matte liquid lipstick, and it is in the color MLS 14. I already have some lip glosses, so we're just gonna use the lip glosses that I have. This one is from Limecrime, and it is in the color Sour Cherry. And according to Limecrime, it doesn't have to be their products. It can be any lip product. Here is another lip gloss, and it is my newest lip gloss. I love these lip glosses. This one is from Stila, and it is in the color White Space. I also got a number of lip pencils here. Different colors, we'll just try one, and these are all from the Crayon case. Now that you've seen all the products that I purchased, let's go ahead and put this on our lips. Now, Limecrime's website said to put a thin layer on your lips and then let dry and then put your products on. So let's go ahead with the application. Now, upon opening it, oh, it has a doe foot, so like a normal lip gloss or lipstick would. And it has a smell. It smells like, I don't know, like watermelon or bubble gum or something like that. So anyway, let's do our thin layer. It's so light, I can't even see it. Okay. I'm looking at my mirror here and it looks, I don't know, it looks clear on me. It doesn't look pink or anything. It feels very light. I can smell it. It smells like that watermelon flavor. It doesn't burn. It doesn't feel like anything's there actually. So the next step is to let it dry. So we'll go ahead and let it dry. I think it's dry. It feels a bit tacky, but not sticky or anything like that. I see my lips look a little ashy, but we're gonna put some product over that, so don't mind that. So the first one I wanna try is this traditional lipstick from CoverGirl. So let's go ahead and try her. Oh my God, I'm so messy. I haven't put a traditional lipstick on in like forever. It feels so weird. Ooh, this is a nice color too. Ooh, this is a really nice color too, girl. Looking real fire engine red. Now, Limecrime stated that when you do apply your lip products that the texture and the color won't change. And that is accurate. I feel like it's a true red. The texture hasn't changed. It's still creamy. It still feels like a traditional bullet lipstick. So I guess the only thing to do now is test it. So let's test it. It's still transferring. I wonder if we did it wrong. Let's see. Let's go back to the website. How to use. Apply a thin layer on bare lips and let dry. Pull out your to-go liner, lipstick, gloss, matte. Okay, so we did that. We let it dry. We put a thin layer on. We let it dry. What happened? It didn't work. Let's try another lipstick. Okay, so your girl is back. I washed my lips off and we're gonna try another lipstick. But first, take two. Let's apply another thin layer and start all over. So, Ghost Veil Primer. A thin layer. Boom. Let's let it dry all over again. I'm already feeling some type of way. I feel like if this would have worked, this would have been like a revolutionary thing, but we'll give it another shot. We'll give it another shot, girl. I feel like she's dry. Let's do it again. We're gonna use the NYX Powder Puff Lippie. And look at this Lippie, like, okay. So it's in an actual powder puff. I guess that's why it's called powder puff. Okay, let's apply her and see. Ooh. I like this. Ooh. I'm gonna have to get me some more of these little lippies here. Dear God. I am so messy. You would have thought I learned in preschool how to not color outside the lines. So the Lippie is on. Maybe we have to wait for it to activate, so let's give it a minute. Okay, so it's been a while. I believe everything's dried down, so let's do the kiss test. Okay, so that one's still transferred. Not as bad as the first one, but it's still transferred. Transfer proof? It's not looking like it. So let's try a lip liner. Okay, so let's test it. Maybe the lip liner will make a difference. Girl, oh my God. It's not working. I mean, it's not as bad as it would probably without it, but it's still transferring. Ugh. Need I take this off and try another lipstick? We'll try it one more time, okay? We'll try one gloss. I'm gonna take this off and we're gonna try it again. Can we at least say a prayer for my lips, because they are gonna be some dry mofos by the end of this video. Okay, again, let's try it. Letting it dry for the third time. Okay, so she feels dry. Same thing. Now we're gonna try a lip gloss. We're gonna try Limecrime's Wet Cherry Gloss, because it did say gloss. And right off the bat, it's kind of hard putting the gloss on. As you can see, it's kind of pulling and tugging, and I have to put a little bit of force to get it on. And I don't feel like this is gonna go good, because I feel like the gloss is wet and it's gonna come off. So we will use, I guess, my arm to see if it's gonna be transfer proof. So let's do it. Definitely not. Now, my final thoughts on this primer. It obviously didn't work for me, not to say that it won't work for you, but I followed the instructions to a T and it didn't work for me, as you can see. Now, I believe this primer would be good to amplify your lippy color, because once it dries a little pinky or nudie, so I feel like that would amplify any color of your lipsticks that you're gonna wear. I also feel like it's conditioning. Like once I put it on my lips, it's very weightless. It doesn't feel dry. It just kind of feels conditioning, and I feel like maybe this will help with the cracking that you get when you wear matte liquid lipsticks. Like maybe that'll help. I think I'm gonna just play around with this and see if I can get it to work with the transfer proof claims, or maybe I'll just use it underneath my lipsticks to amplify the color and smooth out the wrinkles like I mentioned. If you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel, girl, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.